Debt settlement companies that put people in long, drawn-out 2 to 5 year repayment programs will likely never tell you that 84% of their enrollees fail to complete the program. Plus, their credit still sucks the entire time. Plus, they are almost always not forthcoming to you about their large fees, their 20% of the debt, plus anything that they settle for less than 40% they keep in their pocket, plus their dashboard fees, their monthly escrow fees. Sometimes they even have call-in fees. Do you have the extra cash to pay all these accounts in a one-time lump sum settlement? Then get them settled cheap and fast with us. You want me to finish telling you all the good stuff? You want more legal tricks for your credit and or debt? Please say please. Did you say please? I didn't hear you. Say please again. I didn't hear you. Oh, I heard please. Well, my answer is a firm no. No. And I'm firm on that. No. You'll have to watch one of my other videos where I share all that info. Another credit lesson is coming soon. But did you like and subscribe? Are you following? Sometimes you just have to wait a bit to get what you want, but it'll all be worth it. Again, if you liked and subscribed, how cool would it be if I could block those people who haven't yet liked or subscribed? Not everyone gets my crazy sense of humor. Some say there's no sense in my crazy sense of humor. Some say there's no humor. But nobody, for some reason, ever says that there's no crazy in my crazy sense of humor. It's a real puzzler. Now like and subscribe. Thanks.
For more credit, debt, foreclosure, and more great tips, subscribe to the channel